Welcome back again to another unbiased unboxing. Now this is Horus Heresy Fulgrim Transfigured. If you don't know what it is, it's basically one of the Primarchs where he's just gone a bit mental. He's had a mare. He's gone a bit demon-like. This is a weird new thing. Expert product. But then 15 plus. It's mad. Surely a 15-year-old who's just got into this will be like, what the fuck do I do? I'll just have annoying to build. But yeah, there you go. Unbiased unboxing, let's get on with it. So, I mean, the box, there's no box art. I mean, this looks like it's old. It's not. I just stuck something on there and ripped it and I was gutted. Well, I'm not gutted because it's just, I think all the Forge World boxes are like this though. So, in terms of box, boo. So what's in it? Actually, look, that you can see there, like, fucking hell, what's this toilet spending his money on? I did like a month, 2 months of overtime. And that's like, a month is like nearly that. So it's like, but secretly worth it. So do what I want, I win. So yeah, let's have a look at what's in here. Second. So we got another, that's not 80 mil, that's like 100 and something. It's annoying. I wish they put the bloody sizes on here so I knew what to say on bloody YouTube. I do have a mat here though. Oh right, yeah, you can actually see what I'm doing. So it looks like 95. No, it doesn't. It looks like 100. Maybe it's 100 mil. Yeah, right, or 100 mil. Oh right, this is the wings here. Oh, this is a thing. If you always buy from Forge World, 100%, just like make sure you check everything before you go. Oh, I'm not gonna lie, I have slightly checked everything on this because I was like, I'm not going all the way back. I live like what 200-300 miles away from Warhammer World, and I'm not having it. And then I get home, and then I've got to wait. I mean, they're pretty good. I've had stuff before where I bought it and they just replace it straight. I go, it's fucked, and they go, yeah, and send it. Usually get a bad rep, but they're good for that. Definitely, obviously not good for how much it costs though. So no. But yeah, no, there's a wing in it. Right, it'll look better when I've painted it, but no damage. I mean, I'm not going to bullshit you. Like I said, I have checked it for damage. So yeah, you can see the wings are separate here, which is not bad. Their casting is getting better and better though. I will say that. Because before you'd have so many things, like so much warping and stuff like that. I mean, admittedly, you're not really going to notice warping on a wing because it's supposed to be like a natural, organic curved structure in it. Look at this. Oh, here we go, look. There you go. You'll secretly like that, wouldn't you? With a little booklet with what he's supposed to look like on it. I'm gonna love painting him though. He's such a fun Primarch. And he's kind of the artist, isn't he, really? When you think about it. Before they've added all this new lore, he was originally like the artist. He pretty much killed 2 Primarchs. Well, he killed one, put one in a coma because he was a pussy. This is weird because, actually, I'll say that. There's a fancy booklet, but they do my Thunderhawk. They were pretty good instructions. But obviously, when it's warped on a Thunderhawk, which is supposed to be straight, warping on a Thunderhawk is the fucking most annoying thing. That will be warped. Guarantee you. That will be. But I think you got weapon options in this, so. But he is fucking cool, isn't he? Proper Ponzi character, but good. Let's get. Oh, here we go. They just chuck shit in these little weird blister packs, don't they? You got 4 arms there. I assume you have to use all 4. I don't think there'll be a choice in that. It's mad. I think some people. Well, actually, do people hate that? I don't know. I love all this shit because sponge chipping. Well, I've definitely accumulated too much. I mean, you can't really see these with my camera until I get more subscribers, yeah, and I can afford a better camera, alright? Yes. Lots of little bits. What the fuck is this? Oh, they're hands. Thing is, oh, they have numbered it. You can't really see out there, can you? Oh, they can. 27. That's good that they actually do that. Because then you can go, right, what the fuck am I doing? I'm just going to take all this shit out because some weird emblems there. Feathers? Yeah, feathers. Of course he's going to want feathers. It's definitely some sort of purity seal in it. I hate it when they do that though. Well, they don't do it on purpose, but I think that's like a vent. But it just means when you clip it off, it's probably just going to go ping and just clip another bit off. And I'll be like, oh, I'm gutted. There's this Emperor's Children eagle there. Like I said, their sculpting is going mad, but they definitely 3D print it first. I think that's an armor panel. Oh, it looks like the same bit. Oh no. Oh, there you go. I was going to say, why isn't it made out of skin, but I'll just fucking break everything. There's weird like faces on this, and that's probably the skin element. We don't want to be too like certificate 18 for the kids, even though really what kid, if kids will want to do this, but what kid can afford it really? That looks like, see, look, I told you that sword will be slightly warped. It's just going that way, but that's just a hot water job. That it's a hot water job. Another fancy armor panel. That looks not too bad. These, I'm almost certain there's like, yeah, because there's loads of swords here, but you can have a spear, so. It's a weird tentacle and a talon. Here we go. Don't want to give him a pov sword, do you? You want to give him a proper spear. Get his spear out. Right, here's his second box. I'm almost certain I did check this, but now I'm throwing out because the tape's still on it. Probably thinking, oh, is he just going to unbox everything he's bought? Yeah, pretty much. Until someone buys me. That sounds mental. Oh, the standard thing. And until I get some, if I get anything sent to me, I will unbox it. Obviously, if it's dildo, it'll be a bit random, but I'll unbox that if you want. Just don't know if the demographic of people I'm trying to get out to will appreciate that. Snake body, that's really well cast, that. And again, I mean, when they say expert kit, I think it's just it's just how much bullshit do you have in your kit, like how much warping, how much stuff you got to fuck about with. This looks weirdly like they've cleaned it, because if you've built full draw stuff before, like here, look, see they don't really clean that. Although actually, no, yeah, that's definitely got release agent on it still. It's greasy, but yeah, look, with that, it's pretty matte. But yeah, I think the bullshit, the expert level that they say comes from is just whether you've got to fuck about fixing the £175 kit you paid for, which I suppose is going to happen to some degree, but for ages, I remember I was looking at this for ages in Warhammer World, just going, does that just say urine on it? I was like, someone's just taking a piss, but it says Urnine, like Saturnine. Oh, there's his fancy head. He's going, Can you see it better? Nah. Camera's just going, fuck off. So we could zoom in on that, couldn't we? There's his fancy face. I'm surprised this hasn't got something fucking wrong with it, but even the fucking earrings alright. Yeah. This is the thing though, if you buy a kit and it's shit and you're gutted, you go, I don't want to buy it again. And then you just go, get another one, wing it, and it's good. You go, actually, yeah, it's always worth buying. You know, it's probably not. But yeah, decent. That's his body there, I think. Yeah, it's got 6-pack on it. Some weird, like, arseholes on his back. Arsehole shoulder blades. Sphincter blades. But yeah, not bad. So, is it worth it? It's a hard question, because if you're an aficionado with printing, as soon as someone makes a scan of this, which I don't know people who do, but you know, if that happens, they're probably going to sell it for like, what, at the most, probably like 20 quid. So if you can find a decent scan, then that will immediately not be worth it. But considering there's not, and I think it's probably quite hard work to just scan something like this, it's kind of worth 175 quid. I mean, Warhammer is always just, it's ridiculously expensive, and Forge World especially. But yeah, I don't know. You know, I've bought it because I'm an idiot, but I wanted it. I just saw it and I went, I want it. The other thing I was going to buy, I think he's 250 quid, Cabanda, because I've got a load of demons, which I just love demons. They're just so easy to paint. Like when you can't be bothered, but you want to paint loads of stuff, they're the best army. But, you know, yeah, that's a hard question. I can't really answer that, because if it's not worth it, I wouldn't have bought it. So I suppose you've got to make that up, your decision yourself, let's say. But I'd say if I was a reasonable human being and I had kids and I actually had to pay for, like, well, I do have to pay for food. Obviously, I'm not fucking rich, but if I had priorities, that's not worth it. But because I've got disposable income, because I don't have any dependents, it's fine for me. I mean, I could have just probably another 25 quid and just bought a car battery, because my car needs a new battery. That's probably worth it more, but what can you do? If you're into Warhammer, you know the struggle of saying no. So who will benefit the most from this? Well, obviously it will just be people who like Emperor's Children. That's it, really. Or if you just want something to paint. I got this. I don't have Emperor's Children, but I got this specifically because I like the model. And if they ever just hurry up and bring out, because the only Space Marines I really want in 40k are Noise Marines. I want new ones of them, because what they've done with like the Death Guard, Thousand Suns, and the World Eaters, like 3 out of the 4 main denominations of Chaos, they've just gave them their whole separate range. And when they do that for Emperor's Children, I'll be 100% into that. So I think I've got him really just to have that, because no doubt they're going to bring out a Demon Prince Fulgrim, but yeah, this one's nice and neat. That one probably will be as well, but it'll be a lot bigger. But then I have a choice between the two then. Yeah, so if you like that video, like, sub, all that shit. Let me know in the comments, have you bought this? Have you painted it? What's it look like? What was the kit like to build? Did you enjoy it? Or were you like, this is bullshit, I'm never spending that again? But yeah, cheers for that, and I'll see you next time.